Well, it's me. We're back, and guess what? If you know me, you know I got an opinion. Hi, it's me, Mila Martinico, and you are here in my kitchen with At Home at Mama Mila. Guess what? We're not cooking today. Instead, we're gonna have a little heart-to-heart chat. Because if you know me, you know I got an opinion. And that opinion is, let's buy good pasta. So, what kind of pasta do I buy for my family? Well, let's talk about it. First off, I want you to know that there is no judgment at all. You have to buy what's good for your family. And I grew up, my family really bought barilla, which is, of course, known as Italy's favorite pasta. I don't really know if that's true or not, but also at our restaurant, we always made our own pasta. My uncle still to this day makes the pasta for the restaurant. So when we were at home, we'd eat barilla or we'd eat di cecco. Now, as time goes on and I've had my own family and just kind of like researched, and then everybody knows my husband has issues. There is one fuzzy that's attacking me. My husband has issues with gluten. And it's actually, like, not to go off on a rabbit trail, but my husband had Accutane as a kid, and it created IBS, which we ended up healing with gut health and all of that, but he still is really sensitive to domestic flour. So at home, I love two things that are super important in our pasta. And I have a couple of examples here. The first thing is I like a bronze die cut. That is what my family always used in their pasta machine. It is not, run through plastics, which can have chemicals, all of that. I also want, actually, I guess I lied. It's three things. I also want something that is imported or non-GMO or organic because of Mateo's sensitivity. The other thing that I really like is slow. Why did I spit when I said that? It was like I was thinking about pasta and I got all drooly. The other thing that I like is slow dried pasta. I can't remember the scientific reason why I like this, but basically on Italian pasta, it's not rushed. It's slow dried. It's easier on your digestive system. You're not gonna bloat. This is the way that we live our lives, okay? So I have some that I actually got at my aunt and uncle's deli. The reason I got these, they're called anelletti. I've never cooked these before, but the reason why I got these is because of all the crap everyone gave me about trying SpaghettiOs, and they were the same shape as SpaghettiOs, and so I was like, watch me make my own SpaghettiOs. And so my little salty butt had to get these, and these are from Italy. Italian pasta also doesn't have a bunch of preservatives. Like if I go here, the ingredients are semolina and water. Here's di cecco. This one is, let me see, slow drying. Oh, there's something on the back of here. It was 1889 as recorded in the Treccani Encyclopedia when Filippo Giovanni di Cecco invented the first low temperature slow drying system. I got the OG. All right. We still use the same method today to best preserve the natural flavor and aroma of wheat and the natural color of our semolina for superior quality pasta. And then it goes on to talk about this. This one uses mountain water, cold mountain water. Wow, this is like the best. Coarse grain semolina. Why is this so good? And best durum wheats. Yeah, not sprayed, nothing. Yeah, okay, that's what I'm saying. This one, if you get it from Italy, it doesn't have anything added. They have added things in them, then a lot of times they're Italian brands that are either made in America or they add additives to be sold in America. Kind of like formula. If you know, you know. But you want to get stuff that's directly imported from Italy. A lot of times too, they'll be imported through Canada to completely kind of just jump through the loops and go through those little loopholes. But always read the ingredients. That's really, really what you want to do. Nunzio agrees. Read the ingredients. Be aware. So if you can't do this, head for something like this. If you don't have an Italian deli near you, you can definitely order it on Amazon. I can put some in my little like Amazon link tree of Italian pasta that I enjoy. I love pasta. And this is the way that I've been taught to eat pasta. This is how it's evolved over the years of being a mother and a homemaker. And, you know, this is how it's also transferred into the restaurant. So slow dried, organic, imported, beautiful pasta. And sorry I don't have more, but I've been on carnivore for a while and just staring at this on the shelf and crying. So it's fine. Anyways, if you have any questions, by the way, leave it in the comments. I love to answer your questions. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You can like on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. I have like 3 Instagram profiles, so stalk me, find me. And you know, I just love you. I love serving you. I love talking to you. I love making videos for you in my kitchen and involving you in our life. And I just love you. I'll talk to you soon. Tanti baci.